Greetings from Elk Garden, Virginia. And we're in the exact same spot we were last time we were out hot tenting. Except the weather is a little bit different this time. We've been out here about 3 or 4 hours now. Collected about as much firewood as we can possibly get. And we've got a pretty decent supply for the stove to get us through the night. At least that's the plan anyway. There's Garvey in there, chilling on his bushcraft bed. And we're actually waiting on Mischief. Hopefully he's okay. It's pretty icy up there and starting to get dark. So we'll keep the fire going. We'll keep the light on for him. Hopefully he shows up any minute now. Actually, I think he's coming through the woods right now. And here he is, ladies and gentlemen. He's alive. He didn't break his neck on the ice. And what's that? Oh man, broken micro spikes. Dang. Well, it's good to see you. Glad you're here. All right.
Batman squeezed the here. I had no spikes.
Dang. Oh man, that's rough. Rough. I can believe it. It was kind of treacherous just coming up here. Okay, we got some cooking going on, some jet boil action over there. What are you making, Mischief?
Just hot chocolate right now.
I can see Garvey's interested in, what do you have, cheese in your hand there? Garvey's, he's a professional yogi. Yeah, see, he's got you trained. So yeah, it's dusk. There's a beautiful red sunset out there, but I'm too lazy to get out there and look at it. But, actually, those were the shots you saw before this one. I unzipped the front door over here, but it's letting out too much heat that way. So I quickly shut it. But yeah, I've got some water boiling, but I think I might have soup. I've got a can of potato soup. And I have some biscuit mix too. I could make some biscuits. Buttermilk biscuits. But right now I'm cooking logs. Getting them nice and dry so that when I add them to this stove, they'll go up right away. And that's pretty much where we're at. Let's take a peek outside and see what we can see. Okay, so this is what's on the menu. Rich and hearty Progresso loaded potato with bacon. There it is. All we have to do is heat it up. And stoke up the stove. And get our soup on. Okay, the soup was good. And you can see the dishwater is very steamy. And over here, I've got water going for tea. Excited about that. Okay, so lemon ginger is the choice. I almost went with, I almost went with this. But I just had some hot chocolate, and if I have too much sugar, I'll be up all night. As it is, I'm probably going to put this turbinado in my tea. What do you think about this stove, Mischief?
I like it.
You going to be a hot tender next year?
Probably so.
Yeah, it's
this is the way you go winter camp.
This is, yeah, this is camping without...
I'm kind of sad to leave here and go in my winter camp.
Yeah. Well,
my quilt to keep it warm, but not like this.
It will. But you can boil as much water as you want and on the stove here while it's going, and bring a hot water bottle with you. Yeah. So, yeah, it's been a pretty nice night so far. Let's see what kind of temperature we have going here. If I can focus. Focus, focus, focus. Yeah, it looks like, well, it's about 50 anyway. That's good. It's a little bit later now. And we got the custom lights going on here in the tent. And we still got some heat coming off. We got both the doors shut. And it's a lot warmer now. Drinking some tea. Mischief is making a hot water bottle to take to his tent. His sleeping pad deflated. Who?
Yeah.
Could be a long night, but at least you have the foam pad, and you'll have that other foam pad there that you're sitting on. So
That should be okay.
yeah, you'll be all right. Get that hot water bottle in there. And, yeah.
It's crazy. It deflated 5 minutes after I put it in there and nothing even on it.
Yeah, that's no telling why that happened, but yeah, this stove definitely is not going to last too much longer, but hopefully there's enough wood right here for breakfast. We'll find out for sure. But that's pretty much it for tonight. So you know what's next. We'll see you at coffee time. Good morning. I think the coffee's almost ready. That's good. So we got the stove kicked up back there, just barely. The wood around here is terrible. There's just not any good selection of hardwood, so it's really difficult to get the stove burning hot. But it's warmer in here than it is outside for sure. But it's just a constant chore to keep this hawthorn burning. And yeah. Oh well. Next time I'm going to pick a better spot with more hardwood. It's not that this spot isn't nice, but yeah. I've hot tented here 3 times, and all 3 times I've struggled to keep the stove going. Garvey's out frolicking about. He get a little restless. And we're in no hurry. I was going to cook breakfast. Big plans for that, but I don't think I have enough heat on this stove. In fact, I know I don't. So Mischief broke his micro spike, so he's going to go back into town with me anyway, so we'll probably just cook breakfast once we get into town. Anyway, I think that's about all I got for this trip. I'll show you a few shots of the landscape on the way out, but other than that, I hope you have a great day, an even better night, and I'll see you on the next one.